how much it costs to actually make an application? Is this a question that you are having? Then in this video, we are going to discuss in detail how much it costs to make an application. If you are planning to start your own e-commerce business, grocery business, food business, taxi business or any other online business, this must be a question in your mind that how much it costs to make your food delivery or grocery delivery or any application. And today we are going to answer this. Hi everyone, this is Pooja Agarwal from Ronix. We make website, apps and online business solution and help you to grow online. And today I'm going to tell you how much it costs to make your application. So basically it depends upon two factors. Number one, your features and your idea. If you are having a feature of a basic app like a food delivery app, like a hotel booking app, like a grocery delivery app, so this application depends upon your features. If you are looking for a single vendor application that can start around 19,999, where you will get a user app, admin panel, website, complete 1-year support and complete source code. If you are looking for a multi-vendor application in the same format, you will need to have more apps, more feature, live tracking and much more. And there you will get user app, seller app, driver app, admin, website, 1-year free technical support, complete source code. That can start from 45,000 rupees or can go up to 75,000. If we talk about dollars, that can go around 646 to up to $1,200, depends upon your features. You can now start your own food delivery business, grocery business, e-commerce business in budget. Yes, you can start your complete online business in budget now. You can directly contact our team. We have ready to launch solution like grocery application like this, food delivery business application like this, e-commerce application like this, taxi application like this, complete Gojek clone like this, where a customer can order different products like food, grocery, taxi, courier, more than 75 plus solutions. Yes, all of this is available under your budget. What are you waiting for? Directly contact us. Details are showing on your screen and I'll see you in the next video. For more, you can directly contact us. This is the mail ID or you can visit ronix.com so our team can help you and make your business online. For more, subscribe to this channel and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.